Here's a collection of my Dinky Toy police vehicles. I'll start with this English Bedford police van to start. It's got cones, caution cones, plus a caution sign, which is inside this van. The doors open in the back, and on the side, and on this side is a sliding door, and it has an interior and a driver. A little bit bigger than a 1/43rd scale. And we can move on to a Ford Fairlane police car, which I restored. And it has the decals. Next is a Cadillac police car. We've got some more British police cars. I have two of the same kind. This is got the interior inside and the bottom. Good examples in fairly mint condition. This Dodge police car I restored. It's got the beacon lights on the top roof, police decals on the doors. The doors do not open, neither does the hood, but it's a good model to have. Here's a Dodge police car by Dinky Toys, and it's got the antenna on the back. Very good condition, original shape. There's another British police car. The back hatch opens. And last we have a Pontiac Parisienne mounted police car from Canada. It's made in Great Britain. It's a Dinky Toy. Excellent mint condition. This particular model, it has also an interior and a driver. So my collection of police cars. Thanks for viewing.